Let me tell you, I always love the county fair, you guys. So you might see me out there from time or two, but definitely go say hi to Dave. I know he's excited. He loves himself a good carnival ride. Hey, right now we're taking a look at what you can expect as we head not only throughout the rest of the day today, but as we close out your work week and head into the weekend. Our warm afternoon trend will continue. We'll actually be trending even more humid as we make our way toward the weekend, where it'll feel more summer-like. Now, we are also monitoring the potential for a few isolated showers today and tomorrow, but our next best rain chances won't arrive until Monday for St. Patrick's Day. Right now, temperatures have warmed up into the mid to upper 70s, so a mild afternoon so far. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour, so a bit breezier in Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Sustained winds anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our winds will also start to get a bit breezier as we head into the weekend, but for the most part, it'll be a fairly pleasant day for us. We've climbed into the lower 80s by around 2 or 3 o'clock. This will be about a degree or two warmer than yesterday for perspective here. Our isolated shower chance begins around 6 to 7 o'clock this evening, and then it will linger into the early nighttime hours. But a majority of you're going to be staying dry today. Just take a look at the next weather rain tracker if you don't believe me. You can see a few little blips here on the radar here and there. By around 9 or 10 o'clock, you can see the forecast models still picking up on maybe some isolated activity in Broward County. So if you want to keep the umbrella handy after you get home from work today, if you're going out for dinner, you got a date night, or maybe just have outdoor sports, I would encourage you to do so. You won't need it overnight, and then as we make our way into Friday morning, it'll be a clear commute for your Friday drive, and then we'll see that 10% chance for a shower pop up once again on Friday evening, with most still remaining dry. This afternoon, we climb into the upper 70s to lower 80s. This is once again how I like to say in the ballpark of average for this time of year. Our mildest conditions will be down in Marathon and Key West, with highs just shy of 80 degrees. Maybe you're someone who's lucky enough to spend the day out at the beach today. Two things I need you to know, okay? One, we have a high rip current risk. Two, we have a very high UV index, so please do with that information what you will. Stay closer to the shore, and don't forget to reapply that sunscreen. Now, if you're stepping outside tonight, just a reminder, we have that lunar eclipse, the total lunar eclipse, in fact. Let's take a look at your weather conditions as it happens. Totality, or whenever it's going to be in its peak, will be between 2:26 in the morning and 3:31. Now, I know Naja loves an early wake-up call, so set that alarm, okay, if you want to view that eclipse. We have partly cloudy conditions, so you might have to peek through the clouds at times, but I do expect those to fizzle apart throughout the evening, so you should be able to get some great shots, at least at some point. It'll appear red or copperish. Tomorrow morning, you'll wake up in the lower to mid 60s. This will be fairly mild for us in comparison to what we've been dealing with so far this week. As we head into the afternoons for the weekend, we'll be in the lower to mid 80s, and you'll notice that there will be some relief from the humidity and the warmth as a cold front swings through early Monday. That'll also bring our next best rain chances that we have in the 7-day forecast. I mentioned how Saturday and Sunday will be warm. It'll feel like the lower to mid 90s on Sunday due to the humidity, but thankfully that cool front will cool us back down for the first half of next week.